currency field allows a user to enter the amount and formats it into a currency format. Also, it is very useful when you export the data from Salesforce. It converts it into two columns. So one would give you the currency 3-digit abbreviation, and then the remaining is the value. So let's see how do you create a currency field. You'll select currency here, click next, and then let's say we'll call it fees here, and then you can define the length of your currency field. So let's say the length in total can be 18 digits on the either side of the decimal. Like you can have 16 on the left side and 2 on the right side, or 15 on the left side and 3 on the right side of the decimal. So in our case, let's keep 16 on the left and 2 on the right side of the decimal. Let's go with the next. You can also give a default value to this field. We are not doing that. Click next, and then next, and save. So this has created a currency field for us. Let's see how it looks like. Right, so here we have the fees amount. So let's say if I say as 9,000, we'll click save. Boom. So you can see it has put up currency logo here. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.